Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and in this video we'll learn how to create a distribution list to an Office 365 group. This usually happens within your organization or your company says that there is an existing DL and users are already added into that DL, and they want that DL to be converted into an Office 365 group so they can leverage the uh, SharePoint site and Teams as well. Let's see how we can do that. So first of all, let's navigate to Exchange Envy Center. We are in Exchange Envy Center and we are into groups and then distribution list. So I'll just simply select this distribution list, or else I can just, since there is only one distribution list here, I just click on change group type and send upgrade request. So the condition of changing this DL, the very first condition is that the owner should be present in the DL and owner should have mailbox associated. What means that the user should have a mailbox. And the second condition is the person who is upgrading this should be a global administrator or should have exchange administrator right, at least. So I'll just select this group, and select this user, and I'll just click on send request. So this will basically send a request to the owner of this particular group mentioning that this group needs to be converted into an Office 365 group, whether you want to approve or reject. So the owner will receive an email. Okay, let's see how this email looks like. Okay, now let's come here and you see that you can upgrade your Outlook distribution list to a Microsoft 365 group, and you are receiving this message because you are an owner of this DL. Okay, you can now upgrade this DL admin to Microsoft 365 group, and the moment I click on upgrade, the upgradation process will start, and it will take some time for this group to be converted from distribution list to a Microsoft 365 group. Okay, so I'll just click on upgrade. And one more thing to be noted here is, once the process is being initiated, once this test DL is converted into a Microsoft 365 group, it cannot be reverted back. It cannot be converted to a distribution list again. This is a one-time process. Once it is done, it is done. It cannot be reverted. Okay. So the upgrade process is being initiated, and very soon we'll have a Microsoft 365 group in this place. Okay, and you can see the process is already initiated, and right now I can see the test DL ADM is showing up here. Okay, in this Microsoft 365 group section. And if I go back to distribution list, let's see if the distribution list is gone or not. I don't see any distribution list showing up here. So it seems that it is successfully converted. I'll just go to distribution list. So it's gone. And if I come to Microsoft 365 Pro, right, you see that it is now available here. And test DL ADM is showing up here, and it says private group. Okay, and you can also check the membership of this group. Let's come up to the membership section. Okay, right, so it's loaded up. I'll go to members. Right, you can see the members are still intact. All the settings are just the way as it was, and now we have a Microsoft Teams associated with it. We can create one Microsoft Teams to it. Okay, and also it will have a SharePoint site as well. All right, so this is how you create a distribution list to a Microsoft 365 group. And that's it for today's video. And like I always say, if you have any doubts, so do leave me your doubts in the comment section and I'm happy to answer them. All right. So see you in the next video. Till then, happy learning. Goodbye.